In this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer USDT from CoinEx to Binance. Now, the first thing you want to do here on CoinEx, hover over Assets up top right and click on Withdraw. Whenever you do this here, select the coin or token you would like to transfer from CoinEx to Binance, and since we're doing USDT right now, you have to click on here and select USDT as the coin. There we go. And then you want to do a normal transfer, and then over here you want to select your basically your network you want to send with. Okay, so you're gonna be able to see on your Binance account via which you want to send, but for me, I'm just gonna go ahead and use the for example, Ethereum chain over here. I'm gonna click on Ethereum, and then down here is where you want to put in your withdrawal address. So this address, you can obtain that inside your Binance, so make sure you actually do select USDT and then the correct chain on your Binance account, then click on receive and you'll get your receiving address. You can paste it in here. Make sure you actually double check everything is correct. If you don't know how to get your receiving address, you can watch tutorials on YouTube on that, on how to get your Binance receiving address for a specific coin, in this instance USDT, on whatever chain you actually select, or network of course, and then paste that in, type in the amount you want to actually transfer over, and then here you can just click on the withdraw button, and then you'll be good to go. You'll basically receive your transfer of USDT from CoinEx to your Binance account. So that's how easy it is. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.